Let me quickly go through the steps of how to make a bra. So this is the finished product. And this is the start product. So this is a 5mm sponge for the cups. Okay, that one is 5mm. And then the black one is 3mm. See, it's not as thick as the 5mm one. So both of them are sufficient. I like the black one more. It's a little bit more flexible, not so thick, but either way. Okay, so first off, gonna need a pen or a Sharpie, some wax paper or any tracing paper that you do have. Bra patterns. Okay, so we have available bra size 32, 34 and a 36. If you don't find bra patterns, you can order them by me. Let me open one for you so that you can see what we are doing. Okay, so here we have a Bernadette. The insert for the Bernadette, centerpiece, bottom cup, we've got the top cup, and then we also have non-stretch shoulder straps. But we don't use that one, you use the normal bra strap. On this pattern, you also have a Zalia bra, a Charnay bra, and a Dolene bra. Please note, I bought the patterns from somebody and then I just ship them to you if you are interested. So we also need to get your sizing alright to make certain what bandwidth you are. Okay, because this is only 36 with 4 different bras. Okay, so here you will see the sizes is from A, double A, B, C, D, double D, and a triple D. And the same with the other. Okay, so what you do is you take your wax paper, lay it on top, because we are not cutting patterns, we are tracing patterns. Lay it on top, nicely fitted, decide on your bra size, trace it out, and cut out the paper. So here I have all the bra sizes that I want cut it out: 32B A, 32B C, D, 34A, 34B, 34C, 34D, and then we start with 36B, 36C, 36D, 36 double D. Okay, so my order is, I've got a client that wants 2 36 double Ds. Please note the sponge on the inside and outside is not the same color. The one is a little bit more yellowish. Because of that, this is the bottom cup. We are putting 2 like that and 2 inverted. Okay, on the black it doesn't matter, the black is black both sides. Okay, top cups, inverted. So this one we pin and cut. Okay, so my cups have been cutted. Please note, after I cut the pattern out, I did remove each sponge from the pattern and I did remove the seam allowance. Okay, so that my patterns are still the correct size. And this one we had to remove the seam allowance because we're going to go to the machine now and we are just going to sew it fast like that. We are not bending it over and sewing on the inside and all that like we would do with the material for the bra. Okay, so we did go through all the settings, how to thread the machine and some useful tips. If you didn't see that, just please go check on how to thread a machine. So the machine is set up. Here we have a dial to select what stitch we are gonna work. We are gonna work a zigzag stitch, the second largest stitch. So just to confirm, we have our sponge here. It's been cutted, seam allowance has been cutted. You'll see now why we do the seam allowance. And then just to make certain we have it the right way around, all 4 in the same size. Remember, we inverted 2 of them. You will see the color difference over there. Okay, so just to make certain we have the right side out. This is the bottom cup, the top side of the bottom cup. Just gonna press them there. And then this is the top cup, bottom of the top cup. Okay, so all that we're doing now, switching on the machine, checking the settings is correct. We take 1 of each and just press the 2 pieces together, nice and tight underneath the feet. Lower the feet, take the threads, I just wind it around my finger because I can't get grip on it. Pull it and start sewing. I reverse stitch it so it's locked, and then we just continue. Why did it happen now? Nice and tight. Tight. Just make certain the ends are together here. They're not lacquered together, but that's fine. Lock stitching it again, running through, pulling, cutting. Okay, so now we need to get that light back on. And there we go, my first cup is done, 3 more to go. And then on the inside as well. And that's how you make a bra cup. Okay, so all 4 cups has been done and is finished. Now I'm going for the material and what everything we need for the bra. Just have to trim the excess thread as well. And you will see it's nice and steady. No holes. Thank you for watching. Please follow